Hey guys, I'm here with my best friend Tyler here, and he is going to tell you about a little product that he recently purchased called what is it?
I don't know, we just went to the convenience store and we got a Enjoy, what does that say, vape pen? Vape pen?
Yeah.
We figured we'd do a little unbox. So
yeah, we're gonna see how well that thing works.
And along with the vape pen, we got a e-liquid that's supposed to apparently go inside of it and give you the delicious 15 milligrams. See right there, 15 milligrams of sweet, sweet nicotine to go in.
Sorry for the extremely bad lighting, by the way. We're dealing with the camera lighting. You can't see the camera, but it's right there, and just the light from the camera is all that's illuminating the scene. So I apologize for the camera lighting, but here we go.
Anyway, before we get into the unbox opening, you see behind us, computer. We're actually rendering another video that I don't know if it's going to go before this video or after this video, but
we'll see.
We'll see whether or not it makes the cut.